Maybe you've heard about our full-service flat fee listings that are designed to help you net the most money when you sell your home. We'll talk more about those in just a second, but first we'll look at the Cincinnati real estate market news for 2024 year-to-date and compare those numbers to 2023 year-to-date. First of all, new listings are unchanged. Closings are down 17%. Median sale price is up almost 7%. Median days on market is at 11 days. Total inventory right now is at 91 days, while active inventory is at 40 days. It is still a seller's market, but not as hot as it was last spring. So if you want to net the most money when you sell your home, you need a more sophisticated marketing approach, but you don't have to pay a 6% commission to get that because it comes standard with our full service flat fee listings. Visit our site at 513flatfee.com to learn more about our service and to find out how you can net the most money when you sell your home. The average interest rate for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage loan right now is 6.94% according to Freddie Mac. That's up 0.04% compared to last week. This is actually the third week in a row we've seen a small increase in this average interest rate. Of course, higher rates means lower demand from buyers, which is going to mean less activity overall in the market. It's going to make it harder for sellers to sell their homes, maybe take a longer time to do that. It's discouraging some renters from purchasing their first home. It's discouraging some homeowners who want to move up into a larger home or a smaller home or just relocate from actually making that move, because if interest rates are almost 7%, maybe they're comparing their rate to 3 or 4% that they have right now in their current home. It's very discouraging for them to go ahead and trade that 3 to 4% interest rate to a new home with a 7% interest rate, for example. So it's definitely an affordability problem as interest rates are higher and as home values are actually almost 7% higher than even last year. And we know in the last few years, home prices have actually gone up quite a bit year to year ever since the pandemic, when there was a huge explosion, almost a 20% growth in home values. However, most economists are still predicting that interest rates will be lower in 2024, maybe towards the second half of the year, but we don't really know what's going to happen. Some of these economists, these experts, have actually been wrong. They predicted that rates would be lower by now, or even they thought it would be lower last year than it was. So I don't recommend, whether you're buying, selling, or doing both, you're thinking about it, making a move, I don't recommend trying to time the market, trying to find the perfect interest rate for you before you make that move. I recommend dealing with the market and the interest rates as they are currently, and then refinancing later on if and when rates go down later, if it makes financial sense to do so. If you have any questions about buying or selling a home right now in the Cincinnati market, maybe you want some questions answered, or if you want even personal guidance to walk you through those processes of buying and selling homes here in Cincinnati, I'd be happy to help, or a member of my team may be able to help you as well. The best way to get in touch with us is to visit our site at 513flatfee.com. Click one of the links there to schedule a call so we can set aside some time dedicated to assessing your needs, and we can map out a game plan for you on how we can help you to achieve your real estate goals. I'm Patrick Rosser with the 513 Flat Fee Real Estate Group at Fathom Realty.